Hi everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Jara. Today's What's in My Bag video is going to feature this lovely Portland leather good Nora shoulder bag in the color Foxglove. Okay, this bag is a pinkish purple hue made out of brushed nubuck leather. Okay, I've been carrying this bag now, guys, for about a week and a half. This bag looks so pretty to me. I love the shoulder strap here, which is adjustable, that you can see here. The zipper is smooth. Okay, I like the way it looks. I love the way that it fits on my shoulder. Okay, but there are some cons to this bag, and I will get into that a little later. I do have it decorated with this Portland leather good feather charm that you see here, and it's in the color Foxglove and vintage pink, along with a Portland leather good fortune cookie charm right here. And inside of this charm, this fortune cookie, I just have some lip balm in here and some wet wipes. Okay, the back of the bag has no pockets, nor does the front. And this is what the bottom looks like. Okay, I have some dirt or something like that on there. I do not know how to clean nubuck leather. I have to research how to clean that. So let's get into what I have inside. Now, the thing that I don't like about this bag is that it tips over a lot often. And sometimes it's hard to zip depending on how I have it packed. It is a little bit hard to pack because of this shape like this crescent shape right here. And the middle of the bag is shorter than the sides of the bag. You see how that is like that? So sometimes it can be a little bit fussy because of that for me, okay? The zipper has this little tassel right here for the pull. So then when we get inside, it looks like this. Here's an overview of what the inside of the bag looks like, guys. See that? All right, so let me just start pulling things out. The first thing is my eyeglass case. I also have my Happy Planner Micro Mini Notebook, and it looks like this. I have my Victoria's Secret keychain wristlet right here, along with my whistle, my pepper spray, and my key, my state. Okay. Then I have my tissue holder. I keep my facial tissue in here like that, y'all. And I take my tissue out of the packaging because I'm not going to fool with that plastic wrapping on the tissue. When I want a tissue, I unzip and I take one out. Okay. Here is my wallet. And it just looks like this. I bought this wallet from Nordstrom Rack. I do not know who the maker of this wallet is. It's a nice smooth leather. No information on this wallet, y'all. I don't know. And then I have my AirPods in here, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Pro with a thin case will fit in the fortune cookie charm. They will fit in here. Then I have an emery board. Then I have my Clipper purse hook. I also have my favorite sunscreen, which is by Sunbum. I have a few packs of Tic Tacs. I also have this little charm from Portland Leather Good. I think it's called a, I forget the exact name of this. I want to say Small Taco or something like that. In the color champagne. I just think this is so pretty. And it has the little clampy here. And inside of here is where I keep my semi-precious gemstone dice fidget toys right here, along with my little thumb fidget gemstone, so that I don't pick my cuticles or start to snack. I'll mess with these a little bit. That's in there. And then I have my newest taser is in here. It's a taser gun instead of the stick. Then there are two interior pockets here against the back wall. That is where I keep some cosmetics. This first pocket, I have some lippies. I have MAC, I think this is Explicit lip glass. A lip liner by Sephora in the color Molasses. My MAC Prep and Prime. It's like a lip balm from MAC. I did go and get some Summer Friday butter lip balm. I saw this on Mom Ambition's channel, and a lot of other YouTubers are pulling this out of their bags, and I wanted to try it. I do like it. Oops. And then a Revlon Color Stay matte lipstick that looks like this. And I really like this color right here, which I can't read it right now, guys, because my vision is blurry. This is first thing in the morning. It's 5:30 in the morning, y'all. Instead of working out, I decided that I wanted to try to record a video and see how that works out for me. In the other pocket, I have, let's see. I have a magnifying glass. I also have some Hemp's body lotion in blushing grapefruit and raspberry. And I have a reusable straw. The last thing that I have inside of the bag is this cosmetic case by Portland Leather Good. I think this is called the Luna case in the size small in the color vintage pink. I should have put a little zipper pull on here, y'all. That would have been cute. This is what the inside looks like. And I just have my normal things in here, like some Lumify eye drops, dental floss, peels, a Swiss Army knife is in here. I'm not going to pull out everything because that'll be kind of boring. A nail clip and bandages, eyeglass wipes, stuff like that is in here. And that was the last thing that was inside of this bag. As you guys can see, this bag is kind of floppy. It kind of falls over with or without this charm, but it will fall over more with this fortune cookie charm on here. And then you guys probably will not be able to notice, I'm not sure, but there is some color transfer on this charm right here. So some of the color is rubbing off on here. And I've cleaned this thing twice. Like I said, I've been in this bag for about a week and a half. And it's starting to get like scratched up a little bit. Y'all can see some of the wear on it. And I don't know. I like it. I like it, but I am ready to, you can see the little Portland Leather Good logo right here, kind of like etched into the leather. It is very, very pretty, and it's lightweight. Okay, guys. So Thank you for joining me. I highly appreciate it. And I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, everybody, please stay safe out there. Bye.